So now let's see how can we write a program in Python which can take up a mobile number which is holding 10 digits and it is going to validate whether the mobile number is correct or not. So here what we have done, we are restricting a mobile number whose starting digit must be either 7 or 8 or 9. So any of the mobile number that I'm going to submit here or input here, that has to begin with either of these 3 digits followed by 9 other digits. So the total digits should be 10 digits, but my mobile number should begin with either 7 or 8 or 9. If I have a mobile number which does not begin with either of this, then I should get a message saying this is invalid mobile number. So to get this done, what we have taken here, first of all, as usual, we need to import the RE module. Next, here we are trying to input a number. Okay. And here we are not converting them into integer because this number I would like to receive in the form of a string. So once we have received a mobile number in the form of a string and it is kept inside n, now we are going to call the full match method of RE module, where we have taken this first square bracket, you can see, where 7-9. So the meaning of 7-9 is that it matches any digit between 7 and 9 inclusive. I mean 7 also included, 9 is also included. Apart from that, 8 is also included in that. Right? So any digit between 7, 8, 9, all these 3 digits are allowed because we have given 7-9 within square bracket. Now this /d is nothing but it is going to match only digits. And after this /d, this 9 which is inside this curly braces indicate that exactly 9 digits has to be there. Okay. So in this entire pattern, what we have said, I have to have my number beginning with either with 7 or 8 or 9 followed by exactly 9 digits. If that is happening, if this pattern is matching with whatever I have input here as a mobile number, then I will get a match object. Now, if it does not happen, then we will receive a none. So as a result, now after this line gets executed, when I'm verifying if m not equal to none, so this is going to be true if at all this match is found exactly. Okay. So if this is true, then we are verifying, we are displaying that yes, the mobile number is valid. In case I have given a wrong number which is not matching with this particular pattern specified, then it goes to the else part and I'll be getting the result like invalid mobile number. Say while executing, we have taken this mobile number and you can see here the first digit of this mobile number is 7. So as per the pattern here, the first digit has to be between 7 and 9. So it can be 7, can be 8 and can be 9. So as the first pattern matches, we move on to the next one to see do we have 9 digits available here. So as we can see, we have total 9 digits present here. Hence this pattern is completely matching with whatever we have specified. Hence it is going to return a match object. Hence this condition will be true. As a result, we get that this number is a valid mobile number. Now, in the second case, we have taken a mobile number which begins with 6. Now, as we have mentioned in this pattern, it has to be either 7 or 8 or 9. And we see this first digit 6 is not present in between this particular range. So hence this pattern, this full match is going to return none. So now when I say none not equal to none is of course false. So the control comes to the else part which will print that this mobile number is invalid.